Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. This video I will show you how to create groups in our Facebook account. Suppose if you want to communicate, share and keep in touch with exclusive group of people on Facebook, we can create a Facebook group with them. Similarly, Facebook groups are used for businesses and organizations to promote and inform their customers and prospects about different products, events or updates happening in relation to their company or industry. There are two ways to create a Facebook group. We can create a group with our Facebook personal profile or with our Facebook page. In this video, we will create a group with our Facebook personal profile. Here I got a classic Facebook. Click on groups in left column. Here it will show all the groups we created earlier, if any. To create a new one, click on create group. Otherwise, simply click on create on the top next to find friends. From the options, please select a group. Again, we will come into create new group window. Come to group name, enter a name of your new group. We can name our group whatever we want, but make sure that it is easily memorable and quickly searchable. Also, it will be better if the name relevant to objective of our group. Come to add some people. Enter the name or email address of people you want to invite to our group. Facebook will suggest people from our friends list. Select the friends and we got the friends list suggested from Facebook. Also Facebook recommend relevant friends as we start choosing. At least we need to add one friend to the group before we create it. Next choose a privacy setting. If we select to public, anyone on Facebook can see the group members and their posts. But if we select to private, only group members can see who is in the group and what they post. I'm selecting private. One thing remember that admins can only change the privacy settings once every 28 days. However, they have 24 hours to revert a change we made to group's privacy settings. Next, choose the visibility setting. If we choose visible, then anyone on Facebook can find the group, or if we choose hidden, only members can find the group and they need to be invited to join by the group admin. Public groups cannot be hidden. By default, they have to be visible. And finally, click on create. That's it. We have just created a Facebook group with our personal profile and our friends need to click on join link we send to them. For example, in another browser, I have logged in with my friend's account. Click on notifications. Here we got Nageshwar Gaudmenchu invited you to join the private group Crazy Techies. Click on it. Here they can click on join group or decline invite. I want to join this group. Similarly, from another account, I want to join this group. Now come to the group, click on members. Here it will show the admins and moderators and all the members in our group. But if you have new Facebook, to create the groups, come to home and click on groups in left column. Otherwise, click on plus sign showing on the top next to profile picture. From this list, please select a group and follow the same procedure as we discussed in classic Facebook. Like this, we can create groups in our Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.